Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right. And how will I begin? You're asking me, will our love grow? Gaawiin, Ningikendanziin. You stick around and it may show. Gaawiin, Ningikendanziin. Nah. All right, let's see. What else can we try? What was that song? Oh, here we go. Operator, oh, can you help me place this call? Guy on the no is sometimes hated. Living in L.A. with my best old ex-friend Ray. Guy na and almost hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that and give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell 'em I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. Not too depressing. Hey everyone! BOOZHOO ni Janashanabedug, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today with Mr. Paul Stanley. Hey, Paul, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great, Nana BOOZHOO. How are you?
Oh, I can't complain. You having a good holiday?
Oh, it's been great. We've been on tour.
Oh, that's what I hear. You're doing the end of the road tour. How's that treating you?
Oh, it's pretty good. I can't sing anymore, so I lip sync to a tape.
You're lip singing? Okay. Let's not even talk about it. Anyway, hey everyone. I just want to invite you all to, listen to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO on the radio. We're on KAXE 91 FM 91.7 and KBXE 90.5 in Bemidji, in Grand Rapids and Bemidji, Minnesota. All right. I don't know. I have really not much to say. All right. Gee, I'm glad we brought the drawing board back. It looks good in here. Anyway, all right. Well, I'll talk to you later. Gigawabamin, min. Minawa. Hoka hey, BOOZHOO ni Janashanabedug, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and in the studio with me this morning, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing?
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What should be our Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, are you going to talk about the migration story?
Yeah, I was thinking I might.
Why don't you talk about something like that?
Well, how about then we'll make our Ojibwe word Bapa Migozi. To move from where you live. Bapa Migozi is our Ojibwe word of the day. And because I would like to tell the story of the Ojibwe migration.
Oh.
The story of how, we didn't always live in Minnesota.
Mm-hmm. I know, huh?
Yeah, back in the days of the grandfathers, we used to live out by Niagara Falls.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is the story of how we came to Minnesota. So back in the days of the grandfathers, the Anishinaabe people lived way out east. They lived out by Niagara Falls. And, there came a day when a medicine man had a vision. Gitchimanadu, the Great Spirit, he comes down. And he says, hey, there's a feeling I get when I look to the west. Listen, I want you to pack up, get everybody together, and I want you to move west. And the medicine man was like, okay, Great Spirit. And, how far west? And Great Spirit says, you'll know you're there when you come to the place where food grows on the water. And the medicine man was like, yeah, look, Gitchimanadu. No offense, but I think you mean when food grows in the water, like fish, we're fishermen. And Gitchimanadu was like, hey, don't get smart. Nah. He goes, no, you'll know what I'm talking about. Just trust me. I want you to pack up the canoes and go until you come to the place where food grows on the water. And I'm not talking about ducks. So they pack up all their stuff and they head out. And they canoe, and they canoe, and they canoe, and then, until their arms are just tired. And then finally they come to a place where there's manuman. They come to the place of wild rice. And they're like, this must be the place. Now I get it. Where food grows on the water. Because, it looks like it's on the water. Mm-hmm. Now, the only problem was that, there are already people out here. The Dakota. And so the Anishinaabe came out here and they're like, hey, how you guys doing? This is our new home. And the Dakota were like, how you guys? But no, this is our home. And but the guy goes, well, Gitchimanadu, he told us that we're to be the people here, and we will eat the wild rice. And the Dakota were like, well, we don't like wild rice. We like eating our puppies.
What?
And so the Anishinaabe were like, you eat your puppies? Well, listen, we met some French people along the way, and they gave us this 6-shooter.
Nah.
So say hello to my little friend. And this was the beginning of the end.
Oh, jeez.
For the Metawakan Dakota Oyate living in northern Minnesota.
Oh.
Nah. I don't know what the story is. That's the way I heard it. All right. You want to add anything more here, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good. You just want to sign out?
Can you sign us out?
All right. Well, hey, everyone. Just want to say, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawapamin, Minawa,
Oh, you did just good.
Thanks, sweetie.